Are you looking to minimize your power usage using this hot water timer? The important thing to note is the timer only ticks when it has power to it. So post power cut, make sure you are double checking the time is right by looking at this little arrow here. You can adjust the time of day by dragging the clock. Make sure you're doing it in the direction that the arrow points on the right hand side. Now these teeth dictate the time that your hot water timer will be functioning. So if they're pushed to the right, that means it's on. If it's pushed to the left, that means it's off. You'll find on the bottom right hand side of your timer there are 3 settings. The off setting means you will have no hot water at all. The on setting means that you'll have hot water all the time. The clock setting means that you will be going as per the times set on the hot water timer. Hot water is a preference that is different per person, so make sure you are testing and seeing which times of day you would like to have your hot water. If you're still having trouble with your hot water timer, make sure you call your local electrician to help you out.